Hello ladies! Well, aging, facial skin, and menopause and perimenopause. Well, I've got some good news and some bad news. So I'm going to start with the bad news and just listen up because the good news is coming. Okay, I'm going to give you some information that just isn't fair. But of course, as we tell our friends and children and loved ones, life isn't always fair. Well, here's one for you. Did you know a woman's face ages much faster than a man's? With wrinkles and sagging ramping up in menopause? Yes, women's faces age faster than men's due to, hormone changes. So let's fix it. Here's the study. Before the age of 50, researchers found that women aged twice as fast as men facially. Okay, that's bad enough. But between the age of 50 and 60, this aging process becomes 3 times faster. Yikes! The study showed that around the age of 50, wrinkles and sagging accelerate. And age 50 is, of course, the average age of menopause. So listen to these findings. It's the loss of progesterone and estrogen that impacts collagen. So, women's eyes appear smaller, their nose and ears lengthen, and their faces become flatter. Because approximately 30% of your skin's collagen is lost in the first 5 low hormone years. And due to lack of progesterone and estrogen, bone is reabsorbing, and that causes our cheekbones to become less defined and our chins to shrink. Oh gosh, if nothing is done to balance your hormones, it's inevitable and rapid. Now, I remember from my grandmother who never used any hormones, she did start to look like a man. Well, that's not for me or you. The head researcher said men and women age the same up to 50. It's linear. But at the age of 50, it got really fast for women and never sped up for the men. So as I said in the beginning, no fair. But we are too smart to let this happen to us. If you are menopausal or perimenopausal, you know I have 2 fantastic bioidentical progesterone creams, the Menopause Moisture Cream and the Pro Help. I formulated these with Dr. John Lee to help hormones stay balanced. And you can stop your face from aging and keep your skin looking young and glowy if you're using your hormone creams. Also, if you have crepey skin, you know where it starts to bunch and sag, I have another great recommendation called Lift in a Jar, and that one looks like this. I've found similar products, but they cost like $300. This is so affordable. You apply it to your jawline, lip lines, neck, decollete, and even your lips. You can punch up those areas and erase the crepe. I'll put the link to my crepey skin video below. It's longer and more involved. Ladies, take charge. Stop this unbalanced aging process. Hormones are key. Let me know if you need help. I've been studying hormones for 30 years. I use my bioidentical progesterone, and I have so far avoided the rapid aging process. You can also. And one more thing, a lot of you, when you watch my videos, you'll write to me. You're so nice. I love hearing from you. And say, well, what do you do? What do you use for your supplements? Well, I put together a little pamphlet. It's called Be Alive with the Top 5. That's right, 5 simple supplements that you can take to be more alive and feel younger. Write to me, I will answer.